Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to thread or link your text boxes in Adobe InDesign. So first open your Adobe InDesign software and follow the simple steps. Now the first thing that I will do is to create two texts so I can show you how to add the link or to link the two text boxes. So I'm going just to type something random, hello world for example 1, and resize it just to be visible a little bit, and I'm going to create another text that will be, for example, hello world 2. So I will resize it also and have it like this. Basically, now we have the two text boxes, and now we want to add the link and link them to join themselves or to join the boxes. So basically I want to have the selection tool, and after I select my text, either you want to select this one or this one. So now I have this bigger square here in the texts. So I have the first one here in the left in the up at the top, and there is another one at the bottom here on the right. So basically, if you click on it, you will see that your text will be going or will be linked to other boxes. So now I'm going to choose my text box, and as you can see, there is a sign of a link or there is a link icon. So I'm going just to click, and as you can see now, my box have now my text is joined and linked with the second one. So basically, whenever I have space, they will automatically join the first text box. If you want to do like the reverse, if you want like to have the first text that go to down and the seconds stay at its place, you will need to have and to click on the second click on the top icon and have it like this, and the first text will join the second one. So basically this is how you can link your text boxes in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and goodbye.